My name's Doug Smith. I'm with Smith Turf and Grounds Maintenance. We're in Warrenton, Virginia at Airlie Berkshire Farm. This farm has contracted our company to do a lot of the groundwork for the production garden. One of those tasks is top dressing the beds with sand and compost to add nutrient value and tilth to the soil. We use the mega mixer as a side discharge bucket, spreading the materials throughout the rows. 53,480 linear feet of bed space. We're top dressing with about 4 inches of compost and about 1 inch of sand on each row. Prior to the mega mixer, we had an old conventional manure spreader that I had modified to contain the spread width to go over these 4.5 foot wide rows. It was slow, it was tedious, it took 2 people to be effective. With the mega mixer, we've literally cut not only the time in half, but the manpower in half. We're running a compost. It's composted or mushroom compost coming fresh out of a mushroom facility. It's got a lot of moisture and it's kind of gummy. With this machine, with the steel auger, it discharges material very, very well. With the sand, that was not a problem at all. It flows right out the discharge chute exceptionally well. The fact that we can scoop into a pile, get the material, and go to the rows in a timely manner is absolutely key.